Good morning, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is July the 16th, 2024. Before I get started, I'd like to let you know and invite you out to the Ag in Motion Trade Show at Langham, Saskatchewan, just outside the beautiful city of Saskatoon, the Paris of the Prairies, they call it. And I will be there set up in the Scotiabank tent. I hope to see you there. It'll be a great event and a great time, and there'll be lots of good stories to be told, I am sure. The first chart up here is a Soybean Futures chart, and we see that today's price is trading at 10.44. That's an interesting level for us, very significant level for us, and I'll tell you why in a minute here. Back in July of 2023, we published in the Klarenbach Grain Report how we thought this is a completion of a head and shoulders pattern. So meaning we broke the neckline, and the head and shoulders pattern is going to continue down to lower prices. And how do we identify head and shoulders? We have a left shoulder here, a head, and a right shoulder. You know, I'm sure you see that image every day you look in the mirror. So head and shoulders pattern, if you're not familiar with it already. So when we have these head and shoulder patterns, and when they're completed, meaning the neckline is broken, we do a measured move. We set a measured move target, price target. And I did that, and I came down to this 10.44 level. So we've been waiting for this price level for the last year, actually. And it finally came, and not that we wanted it to, but we need to be prepared for all situations and all scenarios. So what does it mean now that we're at this target? Are we at the bottom of the move, or is it going to get a bounce here or continue to the lower? But let's take a look at the monthly chart here, just zoom out, and I'll show you how this area, this 1044 area is fairly significant. It was significant as resistance in 2018, 17, 15, again here in 10. We go back to resistance again in 2004, 1988, 77. I'll even say 73. So very interesting level that we're at right now. Historically, it's been very significant. Will it act as support here? Resistance often acts as support. Previous resistance often acts as support. Can it happen? It certainly can. We'll see what happens here, though, and keep our eye on it. But, I wouldn't rule out a move down to this, 860, 850 level. That's quite possible. But first, we have to find out how the price reacts to this 1044 level, 1040. And obviously it could get down to 10 easy enough. So just watch how it performs here. I don't see an opportunity for long entries. I don't actually see an opportunity for a short entry at the moment. We need to have an idea of where our risk is and where sellers and buyers might step in. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.